Okay, I don't normally play like this, but I've just had a lot of losses in a row and I want to just be aggressive. So let's just do it aggressive. Super aggressive. Yeah, you didn't get the quantum. You thought you would, but you didn't. I was never going to allow it. Never.
Kinside castling.
Queen's coming over. Queen is about to come over. Actually, I might bring the queen over the other way. Maybe I should castle right now. It opens up the options.
Kinside castling.
I'm going to attack the rook. No, I can't quite attack it yet. Okay, the bishop has to come over. Has he seen it? Has he seen it? The rook attack. It's kind of unblockable now. It's still unblockable. Doesn't make any difference. Gotcha. Gotcha. That wasn't a counterattack. It wasn't a real one. I think he thought I wouldn't see what that revealed pawn attack would do. But my eyes saw it. My laser eyes saw it. But I thought you should have got your knight out to go to recapture there instead. Laser. Now then, here's where I need to be a little bit more careful. I think I'll just do that, actually. That's pretty simple, isn't it? He'll have to grab the bishop. No, he can't. He's got to get the queen to safety. Oh, this is a shambles for him. This is very bad. It's not good at all. There goes the neighbourhood. I think we're going to come back. No. Let's do that first. Attack the queen yet again.
Checkmate.
Checkmate with what? Oh, God. They do this. They get me with the most simple checkmates. After all my complexity and all my careful chess, they get me with the simplest, stupidest checkmates. It drives me bloody mad. Because I get a bit kind of... I just get a bit sloppy later on. So it's you that's not
Check.
going to castle today, is it? Well, I think that's the superior position for me on instantly there. Let's get a hook for the bishop. Let's do a check first.
Check.
See if we can get more pawns to come up. And then we'll come all the way back to here. Now let's try and trade. No need to castle today. No need to castle. Right, that pawn is a problem. I need to neutralize it right now. Okay, that's okay. I think that's okay. Let's try and get control of these dark squares. Attacking his pawn there on the h-file. Let's attack the bishop as well. Drive it back. Grab the pawn. Attack it. His knight is a problem, actually. I think we need to... Yeah, let's just do that. Because that knight was a problem where it was. It's actually not a problem now, the same as it was. I am concerned about his e-pawn. I think I'll just get rid of the bishop for now. And then we're just... My king needs to be on a different square. This isn't working. Okay, let's get ready to take that away. If he moves his knight, that's one thing. If he moves the pawn, I can capture with the king. Okay, we'll do it like that then. We'll do it like that. I think. I think we have to do it like that. It leaves me no choice.
Check.
Attack. I think my endgame situation is much better than his.
Check.
Walk them home, baby. Walk them home. Bring it back to there.
Check. 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 Check.
Oh dear. That's bad. That is bad.
We have a son. He has been struggling a little.
And that is how you start to get yourself back up to 1900. We've got one more game. We're going to have to do another game to get ourselves back up there. Let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can manage.
Check.
I very much doubt he's expecting this. I'm going super aggressive here. Very, very aggressive. He's going for light square control.
Kinside Castling. Check. Check.
Now, if he moves that knight, he's got a big problem.
Check. Check. Check.
Let's just carry on.
Check.
This is interesting. I like the way this is going. Did he just take my bishop?
Check. Checkmate.
By the seat of my pants.
We have a son. He has been struggling a little.
Back up to 1900 by the seat of my pants, baby. Wow.